I'm very interested in space travel. So much so that I sent for an audio tape called Teach Yourself Klingon. I'm still trying to get to grips with the basic grammar. Klingon is a very strange language indeed. There's no word for crochet in Klingon, and it's completely impossible to translate the phrase, "Has my Fiat Punto passed its MOT test?" I think I've got a lot in common with Captain Jean-Luc Picard of the USS Enterprise. We're both strict disciplinarians. We both enjoy the thrust of warp drive engines, and we are both as bored as a coot.